So there's a lot of great resources available at help.salesforce.com, and in this video I want to talk about Salesforce Documentation, and shout out to the documentation team at Salesforce. As a former technical writer, I appreciate all the hard work they put into making all of these guides available. Salesforce has 3 major releases per year, and each of those releases comes with a very voluminous amount of release notes. And so one way you can keep up to date on what's happening with the platform is accessing and reviewing the release notes from Salesforce. I don't recommend that you read it from front to back, but a high-level overview of what's coming in the next release, or the current release, I should say, would be these different links here. And if you click on Get Ready for the Release, you'll have a lot of links around what's new for this particular release, as well as sandbox preview dates. Salesforce always releases their updates first to sandboxes so orgs can test out things before it goes live to production. You can also sign up for the pre-release here. And as well, you can access a release overview deck. I'll pull that up to show you what that looks like. And that takes you to the Trailblazer community for release readiness Trailblazers, so you can join that group as well. And here is the release overview deck available in PowerPoint. And let me go ahead and log into my own Trailblazer account. Don't laugh at my number of badges and points. All right, so now that I'm logged in, you should be able to download this or preview as well. So while that downloads, there's a few other things to note as well. And so towards the bottom, I want to draw your attention to the release updates link, and they usually have this as well towards the end, and this gives you what is enforced with this release, the different specific updates that are happening. And this is for Spring 22. You can get a PDF by clicking here, or access previous release notes or future release notes if they're available in the drop down. But right now at the time of this recording, it's Spring 22. And if you keep on scrolling though, you'll see what's scheduled for Summer 22. This gives you a look ahead for enhancements to the platform in the next release. And then also we've got scheduled to be enforced in Winter 23. Now all this is subject to change over time depending on if they're able to deliver all this, but this gives you a glimpse of what's on the roadmap and when it's scheduled for Spring of 23 as well, and scheduled to be enforced all the way into Summer 23, Spring of 24, and then as well canceled updates. These are things that were rolled back or were canceled for one reason or another. So there's a lot here, also specific to different clouds and solutions and industries. So if you are interested in updates to Experience Cloud or Field Service, you can select those as well. So I've got a few downloads that I've pulled down. One's the release notes here, which is previewed. This is the PDF version of the release notes with hyperlinks to each. And so it's in print form or PDF form of what you see in the HTML here converted over. And so I'm opening up this slide deck PowerPoint file. I'll put that on the screen. All right, so here's the PowerPoint of the release overview deck. Also a link to the release in a box, other hyperlinks as well. And let me go ahead and get back into the documentation site though to leverage other resources. Back into the Salesforce docs here. You'll find more than just release notes though. There's getting started section, and then release notes related to Marketing Cloud, and a lot more here. Slack release notes, which is a recent acquisition by Salesforce. And then you get into more granular things or topics or concerns such as analytics as well. So be sure and check out help.salesforce.com for a lot of helpful documentation resources. And if you found this Salesforce video helpful, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below for what you'd like to learn next in Salesforce, and I just might make it my next video. Until then, I'll see you in the cloud.